Good evening, ma'am. May I take your order?
Yes, please. I would like a pizza.
Wonderful choice. One pizza. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Great. Medium pizza. And what toppings?
Just cheese and tomato.
Perfect. So, only cheese and tomato. Are you sure? We have pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, pineapple.
No, thank you. Just cheese and tomato.
All right, one boring pizza coming up.
Excuse me?
Oh, sorry. I meant simple pizza. My mistake.
Okay, just simple.
And what about drinks?
I'll have water, please.
Sparkling, still, frozen, or holy?
Holy water?
Yes, blessed by our chef every Sunday. Very refreshing.
No. Just still water, please.
All right, one holy, one still water.
Thank you.
Would you like a starter? Maybe garlic bread?
Sure. Garlic bread sounds nice.
Excellent. Garlic bread. With garlic or without?
Garlic bread without garlic is just bread.
Exactly. Some people prefer it.
No, with garlic, please.
Noted. Garlic bread with garlic.
Finally, someone understands me.
Of course. I am trained to understand. Uh, Sometimes.
Okay, that's enough.
Wait. Dessert?
Maybe later.
Can I tempt you? We have cake, ice cream, cheesecake, brownie, apple pie, and broccoli pudding.
Broccoli pudding?
Yes, very healthy. Children hate it. Adults hate it. Everyone hates it. But it's traditional.
No, broccoli pudding. Maybe cheesecake later.
Perfect. I'll keep the broccoli pudding ready just in case.
No, please don't.
Cheesecake plus broccoli pudding optional.
Waiter,
Yes, ma'am.
only cheesecake.
Understood. Cheesecake only. With broccoli decoration.
No broccoli.
Sorry. No broccoli.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Just to confirm, one medium cheese and tomato pizza, garlic bread with garlic, one still water, and maybe cheesecake.
Yes, that's correct.
Excellent. Would you like extra napkins?
Sure, that's fine.
How many? 5? 10? Or 500?
Why would I need 500 napkins?
Some customers are very messy.
Just a few, please.
Okay, only 200.
You are impossible.
Thank you. I try my best.
I'll just wait for my food now.
Excellent. Your order will arrive someday.
Someday?
I mean, soon. Very soon.
I hope so.
Enjoy your meal, ma'am.